What is up, guys? So our 2 days with a bed and a shower has come to an end. We are currently packing up for the Highlands. Danny's been a few times. One from hiking, one from a 4x4, and now we have, what car do we have?
Land Cruiser.
We have a Land Cruiser. Last minute, we booked a different car, and last night they emailed Danny saying, sorry, we don't have your car. I guess cancel the reservation. So he was able to find another one last minute for a little bit more. But yeah, once we're packed up, we're gonna get on the road. So #1 rule is no river crossings. Cue river crossing. So here's our home for the next 4 nights. Here she is. You sure this one's it? Dark gray or light gray?
Gray.
Ooh.
Ah. You can get it.
Ooh. So we just went grocery shopping. We got our stuff for the next few days. And we're heading out to somewhere right now. We don't really know, but the Highlands. How's that lunch? Crunchy.
Biggest piece of broccoli I've ever had.
We got broccoli, we got hummus. What else do you need? We just woke up. We're at a waterfall. Some nice blue water. Danny's scoping right now. So Danny's right there. Can't tell. Got the drone out. Probably just gonna go chase him around, get some cool shots. Hopefully my drone works this time. So hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. I'm gonna run down there so you guys can see a closer look on here. He's got the FPV. The white Converse. God! Just wrapped up the drone and FPV stuff. Danny's gonna finish out my Mavic battery. I just pulled out the Sony, so I'm gonna get right above the falls where Danny was a few minutes ago. I'm gonna take some shots. Show you guys how far out here we are. On a little island of rocks. Woohoo! All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. It was a beautiful little sunset. We had some solid color for a few minutes. Got some cool stuff on the drone. Some cool stuff on the Sony. I think we're heading to a canyon about 2 miles from here. From the road right here, you can't see anything. And luckily, Danny's been here before, so he knows that this crazy canyon with like non-stop waterfalls is here. Yeah, the sun's on its way down, so it's gonna be tough to get the drone up, the camera. Maybe get some long exposures, we'll see. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna throw in the drone footage and the photos. Hope you enjoy. That's gonna be it for this one, guys.